Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing coupons to print. There are some new coupons, not the greatest ones, but there are some decent ones. I always print my coupons from Swagbucks because it takes you to the coupons.com site. Every coupon that you guys print, you get a point, and then every coupon that you use, you get 25 points also for using that. I go here with one phone number, and then I do a different browser, and I use my points. If you guys haven't done this, definitely go ahead and do it. It's like getting paid to shop, and then I use all my points to redeem for Christmas time. That's how I get a free Christmas. I do have a referral link for my points and swagbucks.com. There's also things that you guys can get points for doing surveys and all that stuff, but I mostly just use them just to print coupons. So here they have the $1 off acne treatment if you guys want to use that. That was available yesterday. Garnier $1, Cat's Pride $3 off, the gum. These are somewhat old coupons or ones that are still kind of going on, but I'm going to print off the Scrubbing Bubbles buy one get one because you never know when there's going to be a good deal on that. We got Purina $2 off of 3, Blue Rhino, Felines. I'm going to print that off. I think that coupon does not expire till like September, so printing that one off. We got $1 off any 3 Blue Buffalo, 75 cents off Simply Almond. Here we got the Scrubbing Bubbles. I'm going to print that one off $1. $2 off Bic Stationery. That's been available for a while. It does say redeemable at Walmart, but it doesn't mean you have to use it at Walmart, so yes. We got Beyond, Rachel Ray, Yoplait, Kiwi, Yoplait. Now here is a $1 off Renews It 3-pack. We also have a $4 off Neutrogena. We got $1 off. Here is a $2 off a 6. Now this is a better coupon that you guys can use at Walgreens this month or this week for instead of the 89 cents. You save a little bit more getting the $2 off coupon. So yes. Okay, Miss Charlotte says hello in the background. Sorry you guys, my kids started crying. And then we have the $2 off L'Oreal Paris, and then the neutrals are still available in the General Mills. So those are new coupons to print. I'm going to print these off, but I'm printing off a total of 8. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.